All right, so here we are, getting ready to go out. It's a little bit windy, not too bad though. We're gonna head out there. The tide's really far out right now, so King CrossFit. Look at those calves, folks. Look at those calves. There's Josh carrying all this stuff. Black theme going on there. And my board is floating away. I'm gonna go grab it real quick. All right. There we go. That'll stay. Second time. I think I'd learn by now. Doing this a time or two. Test out this bad boy. See if this umbrella trick works. All right. Set sail. Woo! Oh no! Family Mart umbrellas. Come on. They're not designed to be sails. It's still got a little bit of drag on it. It's still going. Oh, it has, yeah. Oh, look at this. We're sailing. Haven't paddled once yet. Oh! Josh made it. It's a little tippy. I'm gonna Neil here. Neil Patrick Harris. Oh. Woo!
Good catch, Kyle.
Luckily it's shallow. I just felt one in. Well, the cooler's heavier on this side. I imagine somewhere inside there, hopefully. All right. Made it. All right, so we made it to the island. It's pretty windy. Hardly had to paddle at all to get over here. We're gonna go to the other side and find a camping spot and get set up. I guess we can set the stuff down and maybe go look for a good spot. There we go. It sure does. That's what I was.
But I was nervous about getting over here, about what the setup would be like.
Oh, yeah.
Surviving the night. I was nervous for that.
Yeah, well, we still haven't survived the night.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But this morning when you texted me, you were like, oh, it looks pretty good, but we're going to change the spot. I'm like, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You can only do one thing wrong at a time. Okay?
Is that a proverb?
If you're gonna speed,
Really
don't
speed.
also be drunk driving.
Yeah. Okay.
If you're gonna drive without a license, don't speed and drive without a license. Like, you can only do one thing wrong at a time.
Maiden voyage. Nope. No, we'll try again tomorrow.
Yeah, and it's like not a bad drive.
I've got some salt.
Do you have a designated garbage thing? Wainwright left the Philippines and he told King, my wife's relative, do not surrender.
I brought a poncho too.
The Japanese were just running down that peninsula. They were out of food, they were out of ammo.
I didn't buy them, I stole them.
I love it.
Who'd you steal from?
The enlisted club on base.
Nice.
I said I'll capitalize on that.
I hear you're the top guy at what you do.
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, hey.
Good night.
All right, good night.
Good night.
Are you going to sleep with your scuba shoes on?
Oh no.
All right, Josh, you made it. You're alive.
I made it, yeah.
About to go to
I
sleep.
can't believe it's 11 o'clock. I
You
thought I
guys,
was going to just be
can I
sitting
see
around.
your setup in here?
There's not much of a setup.
Not much of a setup. Oh, wow, that's Joe's pad. They're laughing at me vlogging over here. Didn't sleep the greatest. The hammock was super comfortable, but I had too much red wine before I went to sleep. Woke up about 3:30 in the morning with a massive headache. It's all right, got some coffee. Gonna have some breakfast. And then we're gonna go explore the island and see you in a minute. All right, so our grill is a little too hot right now. Probably should have waited. It's probably about 1,000 degrees.
Really?
Yeah,
That's some kind of
I
animal.
don't know what that is. Yeah, look
Wait,
at
why
that
is a
design though.
hexagon?
I've seen a fish shaped like that when I was snorkeling at that.
That's
Now
a
I've got-
snake head.
Yeah, it looks like a large snake.
You serious?
That must have been a 40-foot snake.
I don't think so.
I'm just kidding.
They don't have an exoskeleton like this.
Yeah, right.
The vertebrae, like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Quorum, handmade in Nicaragua.
Really? Delicioso.
Podcast.
Ready for egg?
It prompted that discussion with the ferris.
What do we call it? Egg sandwich.
There you go.
Oh, there. Bright stars, far away, but always there.
There you go. Think about that for a while.
So I think we're gonna pack up. I'm gonna take the board out and troll for a little bit. Hopefully we can catch a fish. I'd be pretty pumped if I could catch something on this thing. It looks pretty ghetto, but it's pretty solid, if I do say so myself. We're gonna try out these bad boys here. Got the line out. And it is quite a bit harder to paddle back this way, so yeah, I wouldn't go too far that way. Alright, yeah, this wind is getting a little hard to paddle against. Josh is quite a ways back there, I hope he's okay. Alright, I decided to walk. Easier than paddling against the wind. Too much resistance on the surface. Just love these rocks right here. Look at those. Looks like it should just fall over. Joe was right next to me, but he went back to see if Josh is all right. I think he got carried by the wind. Walking out to see if these guys are all right. They kept getting farther and farther away. What is this? Too bad, this is like Josh's first time paddleboarding. I think, or first or second time. He's a valuable asset to the community. We can't lose him. Nice. Well, I'm glad you got to him before you got all the way across the bay. I was just thinking, like,
I was trying my best.
Yeah, I saw you out there. I should have said something sooner.
No, when you said it, he tried to turn around.
Oh.
I was like, why isn't he turning around? Oh, I guess he's.
I thought you were just looking, like having a leisurely time back there. Yeah, made it. Wow, you can walk all the way across. That's where we stayed last night.
Holy crap.
That is odd.
That is quite odd.
Because they're, I mean, it's like they took a bag of bones and just like dumped it. It's not like in the form of a skeleton. There's no ribs,
No ribs.
no spine.
Oh,
It's just like long bones.
Yeah.
But like all the long bones. Because like there's a femur clearly.
Yeah.
But then there's like narrower bones. It would be like radius ulna.
Oh wow.
It's like that, like
When they come back,
they have to
they're
hack.
like, oh.
They would have to hack them up if they were going to do that. But I don't think it would be laid out. I don't think it would look like this.
You can kind of see the black on the walls too. I wonder if there was a fire or if they burned them
burning.
here.
Burn.
And like the ceiling's kind of black a little bit.
And then there's some bones that are like in the ground. So maybe this
Yeah.
is like kind of. It's like people come back here.